Okay, so we just finished this install. Brad and Aisha, great fun couple. and so there it is inside here. There it is there. The Cryptic Typhon charcoal, black, grays on this silver and black 2010 GMC HD. So anyway, everything fits down awesome. They've got the pockets on the front here. This Molly pockets on the front, pistol holster on the far side, ops package on the back. Cool set, fits down really great. Just finished the install, and anyway, awesome. There you go.
Thank you, George.
You're welcome.
Great covers.
You're welcome. You'll love them. Okay, perfect. All right, here we are to finish an install here, and just finish it up.
Yeah.
Covers and Camo, custom seat covers. Get your set ordered. Coversandcamo.com. Thanks a lot.